All right, viewers, now the focus is back on the big story that we are tracking at this morning. At least 4 persons have been killed and dozens have feared to be washed away in the Uttarkashi district of Uttarakhand after the flash floods have triggered by the torrential rain hit the Kheer Ganga river. The floods have hit the hotels and the residential building in the Dharali town, situated at the 8,600 feet above the sea level, where the video footage recorded by residents showed the giant waves of water gushing down through the area and swallowing everything in their way, including the people and the homes. Residents have also been heard issuing the warnings and also in fact screaming to save the acquaintances to run for their lives. The entire market area of the popular tourist town and the hub has been washed away within minutes, leaving the place looking like a sludge-filled river bed. At least 25 establishments, including hotels, guest house, homestays, have been completely inundated. A rough estimate by the district administration says that around 60 to 70 people are missing or might be trapped in that area. Now, further details coming in. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami is currently engaging in aerial survey of the Uttarkashi to assess the severity of the damage due to the cloudburst, especially in the Dharali village, where 20 crore rupees relief funds have also been allocated for the relief operations. Meanwhile, moments before this, the CM has spoken out about the situation on the ground. Let's take a listen.
अभी जो हमारा कल धराली की आपदा आई है, उस आपदा में सभी एजेंसियां हमारी वहाँ पर काम कर रही है। सेना के लोग भी काम कर रहे हैं बचाव और राहत के काम में। आईटीबीपी लगी है, एनडीआरएफ, एसडीआरएफ और स्थानीय लोग, सभी लोग आगे आकर, हमारे जनप्रतिनिधि भी, सभी लोग बचाव के काम में लगे हैं। कल लगभग 130 के लगभग लोगों को रात को रेस्क्यू किया गया है और अभी लगातार खोजबीन जारी है। रास्ते में चूँकि काफ़ी ज़्यादा मौसम खराब होने के कारण से अनेक स्थानों पर मार्गों का जो संपर्क है वो कट गया है और कुछ पुल भी जो है क्षतिग्रस्त हो गए हैं।
All right, now viewers, in the live visuals one can see here Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami reaching the spot and the affected site essentially of Dharavi and Harsil, the villages which have been mostly inundated and now leaving behind only a trail of destruction. Uttarakhand Chief Minister, after taking the aerial survey, is now focusing on the next leg of the relief and the rescue operation. While devastation in Devbhoomi is concerned, cloudburst gives us the scary pictures that are emerging from the ground. Now, joining me live on the broadcast is my colleague Asavri. Asavri, Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami takes the stock of the situation. Firstly, indulges into the aerial survey conduction, and then after in fact reaching at the site, he is also trying to understand from the officers and the people involved at the rescue operation about the ongoing efforts. Share more details.
Right, absolutely. Simran, you know, the situation right now is so grim that even a reporter on the ground is currently stuck, considering the fact that there are many cracks on the roads. There is, of course, you can see the visuals on the screen, they tell the tale. As of now, the development that we are tracking very closely is that the Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami has engaged in an aerial survey. Live visuals are right now on the right side of your screens, where the Chief Minister is now assessing the situation on the ground. He is there on the ground, in fact. And of course, we heard the statement that he had given regarding the situation. Remember, the Prime Minister has also been closely in touch with Pushkar Singh Dhami to get assess the situation on the ground, considering the fact that you have 4 deaths that have been reported There are 11 army personnel who are also missing as we speak. 130 people have been rescued, but as of now, over 50 people are still missing. An entire village has been washed away, and we can, of course, see the visuals on the left side of the screen, how all these buildings, one after the other, like a domino effect, completely washed away with the water flowing. And of course, again, live visuals there coming in at this point of time of the Chief Minister there on the ground, speaking to people, to all the oh my God. All right. In fact, we can see the visuals on our screens of him, of course, speaking to the people on the ground, assessing the situation. And again, as we speak, the live visuals are coming in. Simran, back to you.
All right, Sabri, in fact, now as we learn more updates, my colleague Shubham Kotnala is also at the ground with more precise details. I believe that he is able to so far collect as there is destruction in Devbhoomi, while the army personnel, including the SDRF, NDRF and other agencies are roped in to conduct the relief operation. Shubham, क्या स्थिति है अभी ग्राउंड पे? जिस तरीके से हम देख सकते हैं, अभी पुष्कर सिंह धामी उत्तराखंड के चीफ मिनिस्टर भी वहां पे पहुंचे हैं साइट में. क्या क्या ऐसे और रास्ते हैं शुभम जो आगे पीछे लोग रह रहे हैं, जो छोटे छोटे गांव में हैं, जो अभी कट ऑफ हो चुके हैं, वहां नेटवर्क भी नहीं है, उनके लिए क्या जानकारी आप साझा करेंगे?
जी बिल्कुल, बात करें तो यहाँ पर जो है मामला पूरा संवेदनशील हुआ है, क्योंकि कल के बाद से जिस तरह से पूरा हादसा देखने को मिला जो है यहाँ पर तमाम तरह की जो है दिक्कतें देखने जगह सड़क मार्ग की बात करें तो सड़क मार्ग में यहाँ पर जो है कई स्थानों पर क्षतिग्रस्त है. अगर हम तो जब हमने पहुंचने की कोशिश करी वहां पर तो मटवाड़ी में ही जो है तो उसको से लगातार वहां पर जो है मार्ग में अब किस तरह की चीजों को इस्तेमाल किया जाए या किस तरह से मार्ग को टेम्परेरी तौर पर खोला जाए. तो फिलहाल आपको बता दें कि अभी जो है हम दोबारा जब मुआयना करके वहां से निकले तो हमने देखा वहां पर जेसीबी मशीन वहां पर पहुंच चुकी थी. तो कहीं ना कहीं जो मार्ग है टूटा हुआ है, कहीं ना उसको खुलवाने की कवायद की जा रही है और प्रयास किए जा रहे हैं कि कनेक्टिविटी को लगाया जाए. लेकिन इसके साथ ही जो हमने आसपास के लोग जो यहाँ से थोड़े से नजदीक गांव पड़ते हैं उनसे हमने बातचीत